Hi, welcome to another video from Tech. Today we have a Dell XPS 13 Ultrabook for sale on eBay and also on our website www.xiontech.com. So let's see. Um, it has a 13-inch screen, a Core i7 CPU with a 250GB mini PCIe SSD. It has a webcam, microphone, and 8 gigs of RAM. Now it weighs less than 3 pounds, and it's very thin, very light. It has a backlit keyboard. Has excellent built-in audio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all the bells and whistles. So let's take a look at. It is very fast. I mean, incredibly fast, especially because it has an SSD. So this is the 250GB SSD or 256GB, I think. We have several different ones of this model. So they come with different specs. This particular one has a 256GB SSD, but we might have another one with it will be listed separately. But we might have the same video on there. But so just for that, I'm going to say, well, most of them have 256GB SSDs. Some of them are Samsung SSDs. Some of them are Light-on SSDs. So you'll get either one or the other one, but they will be listed in the same listing. Okay, so this is a 256GB SSD. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at the type of processor it has. As you can see, it's very snappy, very fast, especially with Windows 8. Windows 8 is kind of a slow operating system, but this computer runs it incredibly fast. It has a Core i7 3537U CPU, 2.50 gigahertz. It has 8 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system, Windows 8 Pro. It's activated, ready to go. We use the Windows recovery disk, Dell recovery disk to restore it to original factory settings. So it doesn't have anything from the previous user on here. Everything's wiped out. It was wiped out initially. It was wiped out with the DoD level security level wiping software, and then after that we reinstalled the operating system. So pretty much there's no trace of anything on here. Right now it's connected to our Wi-Fi network. So we'll go on several websites and we can show you that too. But this came out of a corporate environment. It was used in a corporate environment, and then when they upgraded, we purchased a lot of their laptops, and we got a few of these Dell XPSs. So yes, it was used in a corporate environment. Hasn't seen a lot of use. I mean, as you can see from the look of the keyboard and the overall look of the laptop, it hasn't seen that much use. It's still in pretty good condition. There might be some scratches, light scratches that the camera can't pick up. We can't see it either, but I'm pretty sure since a used laptop, it might have some scratches, light scratches here and there. But other than that, I mean, from what I can see and from what we can show on the camera, it looks excellent. I mean, it's used, of course it's used, but it looks almost new. It might have some scratches now. I don't want to say it's perfect condition. It's not brand new, but it looks like new. I don't see any blemishes that I can tell. I mean, if you pay close attention to, you might be able to pick some small scratches, but from where I'm standing, I can't really see anything as far as this from this view. It does have a built-in camera right here and a microphone. So it's a really nice, lightweight, high performance laptop. So let's go on the internet and see how fast it opens. As you can see, it's absolutely amazingly fast computer. So it's very snappy. Of course, it's a brand new operating system that we installed. The recovery disk will not be included. The CD key is built into the BIOS, so you don't really need the CD key. You'll have to. It doesn't come from the buyer, from the client that we purchased these from. They didn't have the CD keys. They had, the Dell has recovery built in to the computer, but because we wiped it with the security software, so it wiped everything off. And then we have recovery disks here that we use for, technicians use for restoring these computers, but those will not be included with the purchase. The AC adapter will be included, the one that's in here, and that will be included, but pretty much that's it. You'll get the AC adapter, the laptop. As a bonus, we might include a case. We might not, depending on if we have any in stock, but it might be included, might not be included. As you can see right here, it's pretty much in excellent condition. I'm trying to get it as close as possible to the camera, so as you can see, it's pretty good condition. I mean, I can't pick up any of the blemishes or scratches, anything like that. It might have scratches. I mean, if you pay really close attention, it might have it. I can't see it, but we're not selling it as a perfect laptop. I mean, as a perfect scratchless laptop. It might have it. It's a silver, grayish silver lid, so you can't really pick up the scratches very well, but it might have, I think it has a small one here. I don't know if you can see it right there. You can't really pick it up, but it's a small scratch here. Other than that, the computer is in excellent condition, so we'll have pictures from every angle. So as you can see, it has a USB port here, a display port right here. So there's another angle. I mean, it's in pristine condition, pristine, super. There's an audio jack here, another USB, and then this is the power jack. Forgot for a minute. So this is the other side of it. There's a small scratch right here. I guess whoever owned this before tried to open it up to see the CD key, because usually the Windows 7 models will have the CD key under here. So maybe they were formatting it. I mean, they reinstalled the operating system or something, and they thought the CD key was here. But the CD key is built into the BIOS, so it's not in here. But there's a big scratch here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So there's a scratch here. Some of them might not have the scratches, but we do our best to list them as one by one, but eBay will not allow us. So we'll try our best to. But this particular one that we're going to list now does have a scratch there on the bottom. But other than that, the computer is in absolutely excellent condition. There are no issues with it whatsoever. We installed the fresh Windows and using an external DVD drive with the USB. It booted right up, and this is not included either. It booted right up. There's no issues, and we were able to install the operating system on there and get it up and going. Actually, we'll turn it back on so that way you can see exactly how fast it is. As you can see, with Dell, the initial boot is a little bit slower, the BIOS boot, but after that it's pretty fast, as you can see. So an excellent laptop, very fast. This is the the startup menu right here. There's not anything else installed on here. It's just a clean install of from Dell. So it was reset to back to factory settings. So everything is is clean. It's just for you, ready for you to install your software, or your whatever you need, and get it up and going. The computer is ready for you to go. It's activated. All the updates are done. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go to our website, www.axiontech.com, axiontech.com, and you can purchase this from there. Also, this will be for sale on eBay. On our and our eBay user ID is E-CYCLE1. So eCycle1 E-CYCLE1. That's our user ID on eBay. You can definitely look that up. We'll have a link to our website on the description in the video, and also to our eBay store, so you can purchase it either way. We only accept PayPal, both on our website and on or if you have a credit card that you want to pay through PayPal, so that way you're covered if anything happens. But we only accept, for your security and our security, we only accept PayPal, payments through PayPal. All payments are processed through PayPal on our website and on eBay. Thank you. Have a great day. Like the video, subscribe, and if you need a laptop, go ahead and buy this one. Thank you.